Re-initialization of the SRX400A receiver for use after Eprom replacement or frequency failure. For Eprom replacement, no keystrokes are necessary. For frequency failure, you must press Shift and F1 to start the process. It'll say new prom initialize is okay to proceed. Press 1 for yes. It now prompts you for the access code, which is 40697. It should show as characters shown in this picture. Next, purge tables and storage. Press 1 for yes. Set decode threshold 2 for no. That's very important. To get the other receiver tuning parameters, open up the bottom panel of the receiver. It's shown in this image. Next step, program frequency range. Press 1 for yes. And now you enter the start frequency, which was written on that panel, and enter the 6 digits, then hit the up arrow. Next step is enter the low frequency from the panel, and then press the up arrow. It should be something like 115.997 or something similar. And make sure you press the up arrow to get to the next screen. And last but not least, enter the IF frequency. Generally speaking, it's always 10.7, but you must press the up arrow at the end of this. Occasionally, on differing firmwares, you'll also see the up converter base frequency. You don't have to set it, you can just hit the up arrow. Test extended memory card on some receivers, press 2 for no. Finally, you should get back to a screen that reads 148 or whatever your base frequency is, and the gain should always be 40.